Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video at Team How. Today I'm going to show you guys the best ways to make money on Fiverr, the easiest ways to get money in your pocket. Over $700 you can make, guys. So if you're not already a subscriber, before we get started, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment and share, guys. So without taking up too much of your time, let's get started with the video, okay? So what I'm talking about here is transcription. Transcription, guys, is basically taking a audio or video and transcribing that audio or video into text. That's converting the audio or video into text. Okay, guys, so you'll be listening to the audio or listening to the video and typing everything that you hear into text. So whether you speak English, whether you speak French, whether you speak Korean, Nigerian, any language you speak, this is a job that you can do. Okay, guys, so let me just show you a few results that I have found here once I type in transcription. Here is one person's gig that has over 1,000 reviews, guys. Okay, so basically this person sells transcription services. Okay, alright guys, so her basic package is transcribing $5. That's for 10 minutes. Her standard package is $15, which is transcribing 25 minutes of audio, and her premium package is $35, which is transcribing 60 minutes of audio. Okay, guys, and as you can see here, she has already done over 2,000 reviews. She has gotten over 2,000 reviews. That means she's done over 2,000 jobs already, and she currently has 16 orders in queue, which means she currently has 16 orders that she has not completed as yet. Okay, so as you guys can see, this job is in high demand, guys. So it is in high demand. If you need me to teach you guys like in depth how to do this, I can do that. But moving on with this, just to show you how much money you can potentially earn, this is also my gig. This is a job I've done recently. As you can see, January 15, 2020, and I received $700 for this job, guys. It is a transcription job, as you can see right here, 11 hours of transcription, and I received $700 for this job. So it is very lucrative and in high demand, guys. Now let me show you someone else's profile. Let me go on this person's profile. Wait a second here. Let me try to find someone else. Alright, let me go on this person's profile here. Alright guys, so she also provides transcription services, English audio or video up to 10 minutes, and her basic package is $5 for 10 minutes. Her standard package is $15 for 10 minutes. Her premium package is $20 for 10 minutes. And all of these packages, the difference are the speakers and the delivery time, guys. So as you can see, she has done over 6,000 orders already and has over 6,443 reviews. Currently, she has 22 orders in queue, guys. And as you guys can see, again, I can't stress this enough, this job is in high demands, guys. If you guys can do this, if you want me to make a video dedicated to teaching you guys how to do transcription, I can do that. I can link you guys with some free courses. I can also make free courses and put up on this channel, guys. So just comment below, like the video, and let me know what else you would like to see, what information you would like me to provide to you to help you understand some more. Okay, guys, so reaching back out of this, okay guys, another job that you can do is whiteboard videos, which is also in high demand, guys. Whiteboard animations is in very high demand, and it is very simple and easy to do. So as you guys can see here, this person sells whiteboard animations, and if I click on this as well, I will show you it here. This person currently has done over 7,000 jobs, guys, and has over 7,395 reviews. Currently has 17 orders in queue, guys. This person, I can tell you, this person has made over 20,000 US on this gig alone. His basic package is $35. His standard package is $65. And his premium package is $120. So those are really the upsell, guys, to these profiles. These are very simple jobs to do. I can teach you guys everything if you want me to. Just go ahead and comment below. Uh, and these are whiteboard videos, guys. Moving on to another seller that also offers whiteboard videos. Just to show you, these are much simpler videos, guys. I'll just click on this one. Okay, so as you can see here, this person has done over 405 orders and has over 405 reviews and 2 orders in queue. His basic package is $15. His standard package is $30. His premium package is $45. These jobs are called whiteboard animation, guys. These are very simple to do, and this is done with something that's called Video Scribe. Again, I can teach you this. Just let me know below and I'll show you. Okay. Another service you guys can offer is logo design. And I know once I say logo design, a lot of persons will start to get scared, saying they don't know graphic design and they don't know how to create logos and stuff like that. But just give me a second, I'll show you everything. Okay, I'll show you everything. So if you look at this person offers logo design, guys, and this is also a market that is in very high demand, guys. He has done over 1,000 orders and has over 1,303 reviews. He has 10 orders in queue right now. His basic package is $25. His standard package is $50 and his premium package is $100. Again, wonderful upsell. So as you guys can see, these are his review previews of the work that he does. And as you can see, these are very simple logos, guys. Not I wouldn't say simple, but they're very easy to create. And you don't need to know graphic design to do these, guys. A simple way that you guys can sell these wonderful logos is by going to a website called Placeit. And Placeit, guys, is a website that allows you to create logos and t-shirt design, mock-ups, and everything like that. Okay, all you need to do is let me show you an example here. All you need to do is type, let's say my brand name is Team Ho. That's the name of my YouTube channel. So I'll put Team Ho right here. I'll just go ahead and press next. Once I press next, guys, I'll go ahead and choose the industry that I'm in. Okay, YouTubers, and press let's go. It is very simple, guys, nothing hard. It basically generates a pre-made logo for you. So all you have to do is choose the logo and send it to your customers on Fiverr. But you will have to pay a monthly fee to join this website. But the monthly fee is worth it, guys. After paying that monthly fee for this website specifically, every other thing that I've showed you is free to do except for the logo design, guys. These logos cost money to create monthly. So I think the fee is like $25 US, and once you pay that monthly, you will be making that back to sell to your customers on Fiverr. Right, guys, so as you guys can see, I've already gotten some logos here that have been made, and this has basically taken me less than a few seconds to make, guys. So all we have to do now is select one of these logos that we like. We can edit it if we want and send it to your customers, guys. It's very simple as that. All you can create t-shirt designs, mock-up videos, and a lot of stuff, guys. Go ahead, go on placeit.net. A link will be in the description below leading you to this page, and you can just go on it and check it out, guys. Okay, it's very simple, and again, just remember everything that I've showed you just now, and you can make a lot of money, guys. Trust me, those services that I've shown you are some of the biggest and best services to join right now on Fiverr. Okay, remember, if this video helped you in any way, please remember to subscribe, share the video, like, and comment, guys. You'll be making more than me in no time. Thank you.